Outdoor LED Soffit lighting Southlake is essential for enhancing the beauty and security of your property. Our Southlake exterior lighting services offer a wide range of options, including LED soffit lights and landscape lighting design, to create the perfect ambiance for your home or business. With our expertise in residential lighting services and commercial outdoor lighting, we ensure that your outdoor spaces are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Energy-efficient lighting is a priority for many homeowners and businesses in Southlake, TX. Our LED lighting upgrades provide long-lasting, cost-effective solutions that reduce energy consumption while maintaining high-quality illumination. Whether you need outdoor LED soffit lighting Southlake or energy-efficient lighting solutions, our team is here to help you make the best choices for your property. Custom lighting design is at the heart of our services in Southlake. We specialize in creating unique lighting solutions tailored to your specific needs, from garden lighting design to patio lighting installation. Our Southlake landscape lighting experts work closely with you to develop a plan that highlights the best features of your outdoor spaces, ensuring a stunning result every time. Security lighting installation is crucial for protecting your property in Southlake, TX. Our motion sensor lighting and floodlight installation services provide peace of mind by deterring potential intruders and enhancing visibility around your home or business. Trust our Southlake security lighting installation team to deliver reliable and effective solutions for your safety needs. Pathway lighting solutions are an essential component of any outdoor lighting plan. Our Southlake pathway lighting services ensure safe and attractive walkways, guiding guests and family members with ease. From step lighting solutions to driveway lighting design, we offer a variety of options to suit your style and budget. Outdoor lighting maintenance is vital for keeping your lighting systems in top condition. Our Southlake lighting system repair services address any issues promptly, ensuring your exterior lighting solutions remain functional and efficient. Regular maintenance helps extend the life of your lighting fixtures and prevents costly repairs down the line. Accent lighting services add a touch of elegance to your outdoor spaces. Our Southlake accent lighting design team specializes in creating dramatic effects with wall wash lighting and other techniques. Whether you want to highlight architectural features or create a cozy atmosphere, our experts have the skills and experience to bring your vision to life. Deck lighting solutions and patio lighting. Southlake TX services enhance your outdoor living areas, making them more enjoyable and functional. Our team designs and installs lighting systems that complement your deck or patio, providing the perfect setting for entertaining or relaxing with family and friends. Outdoor LED soffit lighting Southlake consultation is an essential step in achieving the perfect lighting design for your property. Our Southlake lighting experts offer personalized consultations to discuss your needs and preferences, ensuring a tailored approach to your outdoor lighting project. With our guidance, you can make informed decisions about the best lighting solutions for your home or business.